So I don't know if you're like me, but I like to buy my cards in bulk when I can, because I am always trying to save when I can and trying to get a good deal on cards. But therefore, I have usually a shopping bag of cards that I've forgotten that I have. And even now I'm looking and I was like, oh, I have a lot of cards. So I got this card organizer, index card, anything really you want, postcards, greeting cards, kind of an anything organizer from Homey Finds. This was actually a gift to me from the brand, but as always, always I will give my honest opinion. So what I really love about this one, you get a little like card with all these different letters. So you can really kind of personalize which card you're gonna get. Like you can do it alphabetized. I'll probably do it by like this birthday cards or just different cards type. So as you can see, I put all my different cards in here. I've just kind of organized them because I have a lot of different cards and they are right now in a stack of organized chaos. But this is also great if you have like index cards for recipes, for flashcards, really anything you want to organize. This is also great because these are great little file folders to flip through, dividers. This also has a beautiful wood holder, so you can fit a lot in here. This is really beautifully painted, beautifully made, and really will look beautiful on your counter. So if you're looking for a way to organize just this mess and turn it into this is what you need.